Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something special for all the makeup enthusiasts out there. We'll be talking about the Hot Sugar Makeup Kit, which is touted as the best makeup kit for tweens on the market. If you're looking for a comprehensive makeup set that's perfect for beginners and tweens, you're in the right place. Stick around as we dive deep into what makes this kit stand out. The Hot Sugar Makeup Kit is designed to be a full starter cosmetics set. And it comes with everything you need to create stunning looks. Let's start by looking at the key features of this makeup kit. This kit is an all-in-one solution for makeup lovers. It's suitable for tweens, teens, and beginners, making it incredibly versatile. One of the most important aspects of any makeup kit is safety. The Hot Sugar cosmetics are hypoallergenic and paraben-free, ensuring that they are gentle on the skin. The makeup train case is not only stylish with its mermaid glittery surface but also sturdy and durable, thanks to the reinforced aluminum frames. The eyeshadows and other cosmetics in this kit are highly pigmented, available in matte, shimmery, earthy, and nude colors. You'll experience minimal fallout, and they blend like a dream. The Hot Sugar Makeup Kit is perfect for various occasions, whether it's a casual day look or a special event. With a wide range of colors and versatile cosmetics, you can easily create different makeup styles. In conclusion, the Hot Sugar Makeup Kit is undoubtedly an impressive choice for tweens and beginners. It offers a wide range of cosmetics, ensuring you have all the essentials to experiment and create beautiful looks. Plus, it's safe for your skin, which is a huge plus. If you're looking for a fantastic gift or simply want to enhance your makeup collection, the Hot Sugar Makeup Kit is a solid choice. It's affordable, high quality, and versatile. If you've tried this makeup kit or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations on products like these. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.